friends, welcome to Data Pandit. So, in continuation with DynamoDB table operations, so let's explore one more thing, which is multiple times programmer wants to export the data or probably generate the kind of some CSV report or Excel spreadsheet report. So, I'm going to explore the Python program or create the Python program. So, how we can create the CSV file from the DynamoDB table data. So what we can do is I have created already the table, and then there are some data. So small table, and then we are going to write a Python program, okay, using the Boto3 library, and we are going to create the CSV file out of it, and we'll see the data in it. Okay. Now let's go directly to the to the Jupyter notebook and see how to create a Python program to scan the table and create a CSV file. So again, so go to the Python program. So I have written already the CSV creation Python program. So now let's see how we are going to do it. Okay. So let's quickly see the table. So I have the tables. Okay, if you want to see the table, so we can run the collection. So I have 7 records. I'm going to create the down CSV. So what we can do is we can create the download results in CSV using the one way of using the AWS console directly, but we have automated way of doing it in the program. Okay, so that we are going to explore today. Now, so similarly, I am going to create the pandas object, okay, from the pandas library. So and Boto3 obviously, okay, and I'm going to create one more object, and I have one function actually. So this is going to be the same as earlier function actually, but it is going to scan it actually basically, and I'm going to create the list of Python list basically. So okay, and then we are going to use that Python list and assign we are going to create the pandas data frame. Then we have two CSV function to create the CSV file, and we can create the length also the CSV file. Okay, so how we are going to access them? Simple. Simply, I'm going to use it. Okay. So okay. So first we are going to see the scan function, and calling this scan function to scan table, and table I'm going to say employee and table.scan function. The result is response of items. So items, all the items, and how to iterate is last evaluated key in response. So whenever my last evaluated key is there, is true in the response, until then I'm going to call the while function, and my result list is going to be extended for that item. Response table.scan exclusive start key, response dot last evaluated key. So the start key would be my whenever last evaluated key, we are not going to reach to the last evaluated key. Okay, I mean whenever my table is not going to be written the last row, until then I'm going to scan it, and my list is going to be extended or appended with that item. Okay, this is basic functionality basically. Okay, so now and then I'm going to call this function, and I'm going to print this response. Zeroth item going to print, and then I'm going to I have created one pandas object. So that object I'm going to create a data frame. So from the list I can create the data frame, pandas data frame. So pandas library, I think this is a bigger one actually. So we are going to see. So for now you can see, you can understand like this. So this is a it's a table actually. So you can create the table out of data. From the list, you can create the table. So, so that way you can understand. So you can create the table out of the data returned from the list. Okay. And this data is, then the data is, to a CSV is the function, which is Pandas data frame gives, and then I can create that base data, which is the current directory. So now my function call is failed because I don't have proper access key ID and secret key. So whenever I create the DynamoDB, this DynamoDB object using the resource object, so I need proper access key ID and secret key. So I have used this secret key. This one is the correct one. Generate credits. I think I have used the proper one in another. This is the correct one. If you want to create another security key, so I told right, so you can go here and you can click on security credential in the users window, go to the users and then create the DynamoDB users. I mean, click on the DynamoDB users, go to the security credential, you can um, create the new key actually. Oh, I think it is allowing key only. So we created one of these, which we are using, which we are using EHQ, right? So I can delete the another one. Delete we are using, so you can delete this. Now I think it's allowing create two only. So if you want to create, you can create using creates the key, and you can download this CSV and you can see how you will have the access key ID and secret key. Now I think I'm using ESQ, so I had already saved it. Let me go to my Boto3 access DynamoDB program. We are going to see this. Okay. Now I'm going to call this and create this function. I'm going to call this. My function is, so printing is the first record is getting printed, okay, because of this response 0. Then I called the data frame and created the pandas object, okay, and then pandas can call this do CSV to create the data.csv. If I call this, I should have this, data.csv created in this this one. Okay. Now to see the data, so see, I have same reports. So, want to give the new names, so we want to see that this really was. So let's see. Okay. Let's see and then correct. Correct one. Okay, so this is another session to create the data reports. Again, because we did not discuss the pandas, so pandas give the extensive library to, uh, to wrangle the data, you know, and it's much more. It's very big library basically. So you can do multiple things, filter, you can enrich the data, drop the columns, you can concatenate the columns. So there are multiple functions things within the pandas library. So that is part of uh, pandas actually Python pandas. So used in machine learning and analytics stuff. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and we are going to explore multiple things in the time.